Assalamualaikum, this is Group 5 and we will be presenting about the classifications of glass. This slide will be presented by me, Wanur Alia, and my three other teammates, which is Farishano Kashrina, Muhammad Azrul, and Aina Sofia. So to begin, what is glass? As we can see in the slide, glass, an inorganic solid material that is usually transparent or translucent, as well as hard, brittle, and impervious. So think of a glass like a frozen liquid. It's made mostly from sand silica, which is melted at super high temperature until it turns into a glowing hot liquid. Then they cool it down quickly. Glass can be produced in several ways, and each process gives it different qualities. In fact, its properties and uses. So for this slide, from what I have read about, the most common type is soda lime glass. It made mainly of silica, about 70 to 75%, sodium oxide or soda around 12 to 15%, and calcium oxide or lime about 10%. Small amounts of other compounds are also added. These compositions make it affordable, easy to shape when heated, and perfect for everyday uses like window glass, bottles, and jars. However, soda lime glass isn't very resistant to heat or chemicals. Next, we have lid glass, also known as crystal glass.
Hi, my name is Farisha Nur Kashrina, and I will take it from here. Glass is a material that can also be classified according to its chemical composition and its manufacturing process, each offering different functions and characteristics. To begin with, fused silica glass is produced using nearly pure silica, making it highly resistant to thermal shock and offering excellent optical clarity. This type of glass is commonly used in optical fibers and scientific instruments. A good example is a fused quartz window installed in high-precision laboratory. Next, we have borosilicate glass. It is composed of silica and boron oxide, known for its durability and resistant to heat and chemicals. This glass is widely used in both laboratory settings and household cookware. Items such as Pyrex breakers are made from this type of glass. Other than that, we have aluminosilicate glass, which contains silica and alumina. It's engineered to withstand extreme temperature and pressure. It is commonly found in smartphone screen and in high-pressure industrial equipment, such as sight glasses used. From the perspective of manufacturing methods, float glass is produced by floating molten glass over a bed of molten tin, resulting in a smooth and perfectly flat surface. This technique is widely applied in the production of flat glass for windows and mirrors, such as those used in the Crystal Palace railway station in London. Another method is blown glass, where molten glass is shaped by air blowing. This process is commonly used to create decorative and artistic items like vases. An example of this technique can be seen in the Rohan blown glass hydra from Beijing. Lastly, pressed glass is formed by pressing molten glass into pre-shaped molds, allowing for intricate patterns and textures. It is commonly seen in tableware, such as pressed drinking glasses from the early 20th century. Each of these types and techniques reflects the versatility of glass, a material that combines science, functions, and beauty.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azrul and I'm going to continue presenting about classification of glass, which that is based on manufacturing process. There is cast glass, which is usually used for sculptures or thick decorative panels, and the process to make this kind of product is usually by molds. The glass will be poured into the molds. Other than there is also tempered glass, which is usually used for car windows or shower doors, and the reason for it was because it was heat strengthened and will also the laminated glass, which is used as a windshield or safety glass, and the reason for it was because it was layers bonded with plastic film, so it will be more suitable for the use of safety windshield and also safety glass. It will be more safe for the person, especially behind the windshield, because it will not break easily or shatter into small pieces, just like the picture we have in the slide. Also, there is anneal glass, which is usually used inside the house, which is for tabletops, cabinet, or furniture glass. The reason for it was because it have a good optical clarity and also smooth finish, and that is the main reason why it become the use inside the house, such as tabletops, cabinet, and furniture glass. It will be more safe for us to use the furniture from that kind of material. Also, there is insulated glass, which is used as a double glass window. The reason for it was because it have a multi-pane with air or gas in between of the glass, which make it more suitable for the use of double glass window. Also, there is in this widely field construction, there is type of glass that we widely use.
My name is Aina Sofia. So basically, I will continue for the last 6 slides. I will start with the second point of classification of glass based on application, which is automotive. Types of glass used in automotive field are tempered and laminated. Laminated glass is used for windshield, while tempered glass is usually used for side and rear windows to enhance impact resistance. Then we have laboratory. For laboratory use, borosilicate glass is preferred because of its excellent thermal and chemical resistance, making it ideal for beakers, flasks, and test tubes. But we also have fused silica that can be used for in field of laboratory. We move to the next one. We have field of electronic. The types of glass that usually use is aluminum silicate. So for the last point, we have optical devices. In the field of optics, lead glass and fused silica glass are essential for precision lens, microscope, and telescope due to their high clarity and refractive properties. So, for the conclusion, glass is versatile material that can be classified in various ways based on its chemical composition, manufacturing process, physical properties, and application. Each type of glass has unique characteristics that make it suitable for specific use, ranging from simple household items to advanced optical and electronic companies. Understanding the classification of glass helps engineers, architects, designers, and manufacturers choose the right type of glass for safety, strength, durability, and aesthetic value. I guess that's all from us. Thank you.